Man, sure is a rainy day out.
Yeah, it sure is. Not much we really can do today, but we'll figure something out.
We had an idea, but I don't know what we're gonna do now.
Yeah, it's pouring right now. Yeesh.
We gotta get some content for the viewers.
Yeah, we do.
I don't know what to do.
Neither do I. Wait, Jake. Dude, my backyard floods when it rains a lot.
Really?
Yeah. We can make a swimming pool episode.
DIY swimming pool.
DIY swimming pool. That's a great idea. That's
Well,
gonna be awesome.
what are we waiting for? Let's do it. Yo, guys, it's hailing right now. Look at this. See how that's hail. Dude, this is crazy. Yo, we're out here. Daniel's getting ready. He's gonna get changed. And the plan is he's gonna jump off this block here. He's gonna do a dive. And look at that.
I'm gonna swim through my backyard pool.
Look at that flood. Look at that pool right there.
It's very dangerous out though. It literally was just hailing and it just like thundered. Oh shit, just did it again. About to be really loud about it because it's blue smoke. See, this is what we do for the views! The views!
It's coming out from the sky. Look at that.
I'm looking fine right now. Look at that. I'm
It's hailing, Daniel, look.
Look at
That's
hailing
crazy.
again. Bro, this is what we do for the views.
Oh, I just got hit.
Oh shoot, there's the ice. I just stepped on one.
That's crazy. Look at this.
All these racks give me a boner.
Alright, just to show you guys how deep this is, look. Hold up.
Holy shit. I love doing this.
That's crazy.
I hate being in this suit so much. Alright, let's get this done.
Alright, let's do it. The block is going in place. Alright, he's gonna swim. I don't know. I guess he's gonna try and swim across.
Wait, where's the dog?
Conditions are kind of dying down right now.
But that's okay, because we don't want to die.
Alright, we're going.
We're going! Don't want to stay out here too long. Alright.
Swimmers, take your mark. Set. Go, Daniel, go! You got it! Go, go, go! You're almost there! Oh God, it's picking up, it's picking up.
This hurts.
Go, you're almost done! Push! Oh man, it's really raining out here. Come on, you're almost there.
God, this is tired.
You're almost done. Push, push, right there, right there. All you gotta do is touch the drain. Go, push. You touch it. Yeah. Man.
Let's go.
That's crazy. All right, let's get back on here. Look at your stomach.
Shit.
Wait.
Do it for the views. I gotta go get the block.
All right. All right, guys. So we're chilling in the DIY
pool.
swimming pool.
Yeah, we got a pretty nice pool out here.
If you want one of these, I guess it's kind of free. I don't know, but
Get on the right day.
you know, white trash swimming pool. Just another thing. Oh, that's lightning.
That's really loud. It's gonna be really loud.
Okay, well, we're gonna wrap this up.
We'll wrap it up a little fast because we don't want to get struck by lightning. But
All right, guys. So if you enjoyed the DIY swimming pool, leave a like because Daniel did a lot for this.
yeah, look at my stomach. Look at my legs. I gotta go to the shower now.
All right, well, I guess we'll just sign off here. You know, if you want one of these, I'm sure it's free.
Yeah, it's pretty free. Just
All
have
right.
to get it on the right day. And
Make
have the
sure
right
you
background.
like, subscribe, and
Stay epic.